Hi, folks. Welcome back. So, I have something new to share today, and I'll start with a small intro before I go into what I want to share today. And yeah, it shouldn't take long. But starting with, vibe coding has technically been around for a while. But let's be honest, it mostly worked for developers trying to move faster or people who were okay burning money on tokens. I was surely not okay. Or people who had the patience to learn how to code. Now, I fall into none of those categories. I'm a designer and I've always wanted to build my own things, not just design for someone else, actually ship something. I tried many times, not even kidding. I have tried learning those tools. I have tried forcing myself to be a bit more developer, learn about different languages, but it just never clicked for me. Fun fact, I have a bachelor's degree in computer science, and I soon realized that coding was not my cup of tea. So yeah, as I mentioned, never really clicked. I could never build something I felt proud enough to ship publicly, unlike design. But that's until now. In the last 6 days, yes, just six, I would say, 6 or 7, I have built a web app. I have built a Chrome extension. I started building an Android app, and I have vibe coded something that I want to show you right now. And this is all without understanding anything in code. Now, I'm not proud of that. I still need to go back and learn a bit. But the technology has come that far. Now, there are so many people like me, designers, marketers, operators, curious builders, product managers, people who don't know how to code but desperately may want to ship something. And the biggest problem, I don't think so, has been motivation. It's maybe not knowing, okay, which tool should I use for this purpose, what to learn, where to learn, what's actually possible with vibe coding, what projects are people even building, and where to even start. Like, frankly, that's many people's question. Now, what changed in recent times? That's what I think. The models got quite good, and more importantly, they are a bit affordable. So you don't need to be technical anymore to ship something real. And I'm not the only one who thinks like this. I'm seeing it everywhere, on Twitter, on Instagram, on X. Oh, sorry, X and Twitter are the same thing. On LinkedIn, people building things they probably would never imagine building themselves. So I vibe coded Vibestack. Let me walk you through what the hell I'm even talking about. Now, what is Vibestack? So, Vibestack is basically a handpicked library of tools, learning resources, vibe coded projects. Yeah, vibe coded projects specifically. Of course, the last one is MCP servers. Now, they're all categorized with tags, and this whole platform is fully vibe coded by me. But the main idea behind this platform was that how do I choose what to look for, how to look for? And this is my small effort trying to solve that. Now, to land on this page, you need to type vibestack.in. Unfortunately, could not get a .com because it was unavailable. But yeah, just type vibestack.in. You land on this page. If you're not a fan of light mode, feel free to get it turned into dark mode. Yeah, pretty easy. So yeah, a created library for non-coders who want to build. Now I have all categorized here by all. You want to see everything in one shot. Feel free to see that. Tools, learning, projects, MCP servers. And this is highly curated. I've not made it a list of like 500, 600, even like at this moment, 100 resources. I have just tried to add things which I genuinely feel would help me. So, for example, let's go to tools. We can see all the tools which are really interesting to experiment as a vibe coder, as a designer. So, yeah, that's one area. And you can see there's like quite a few out here. In learning, I'm trying to add more because there's like so much to learn and explore out here. But yeah, I'm trying to add articles, I'm trying to add videos, which are I find are interesting and good to go around. Going to projects, yeah, this is quite interesting. There's so many people who are building so many interesting projects, so worth checking them all out. And the last one is MCP servers. Now I haven't added a lot out here. I'll be adding more, but these are the ones I feel are like particularly cool. And I'll keep adding these things. And just to show, it was last updated 17 hours ago, so it's quite a latest stack of things. I keep on updating things out here. And not just this, if you're just looking for example, things for Figma, you can just filter the Figma out, and you can just see we have one video on that. Unfortunately, for Claude we have quite many things at the moment. Many things are enabled by Claude right now. And for whatever specific thing you're looking for, be it OpenClaw, Olama, there's a tutorial on how to set up Olama on your machine. And if you don't know, that's a really cool thing. But yeah, just things like that. And I'm trying to keep adding more resources. And you can, if you have anything great, please feel free to share suggestion. You'll open a quick Google form and you can add that. You can even search things. For example, I want to search things by Claude. Let's go for something easy at the moment. Again, the search is a very simple search. So you can just search for Claude and you'll find all the things that have either Claude in the description or the name or something like that. That's the idea. And you can always clear and search something else. You can also see everything via list if you want to. It's easier and less overwhelming to see. That's your choice. And last but not least, if you want to stay tracked on all these things, I will try to send up a weekly roundup of top resources in your inbox. I will surely make sure you're not spammed or anything. Once a week, we'll drop a resource. Only if you're interested, feel free to sign up. But that's that. That's what Vibestack is. If you ever felt like shipping something, start here and check out vibestack.in. Once again, thanks for staying till the end of the video if you have.